Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to continue helping you get started using 360 by setting up the application using the application settings folder. So if you've logged in, go ahead to the top, select your gear wheel icon or the application settings icon, and that will take you to your menu page here. In this specific video, I'm going to be talking about the group permissions that drive 360. As you know, that there's no limit on the number of users that you can put in, and you're actually able to create your own users. And so in that, we've also created user types. It breaks down into three: administrators or office staff, journeymen or your kind of leaders in the field, and then apprentices that do the work too. So in this specific section, it's kind of an advanced area of the application. I usually say in this area, don't hesitate to call us to get some guidance. But what happens is, since you are able to create your own users, after you create a user, you assign them, or when you create a user rather, you assign them to which type of user they are. And when you do that, there's a default setting for the permissions for that user type. We do this so that you don't have to go through this whole entire process each time you create a user. So what I do suggest is that this default panel be left as it is, and that you customize it for each user, which I will show you how to do in the videos that talk about user setup. But this is where the permissions are controlled for the entire application. For each of these different viewer or user types, a default setting of permissions has been created. And again, it saves you from having to go through and do this one by one as you create users. Administrators, as you can see, have the most access by default to this system. As you get into the field, the access is dictated or organized more around the work items that they are involved with, and that is the tracking of labor and materials. So again, there's three different viewer or user types, and there are default permission parameters that are set in this system. To be repetitive, but get the point across, if you need some help with this, please call us and let us help walk you through it, because this area of the system controls a lot of the application. Okay, thanks for listening, and we'll see you soon.